Alright, next up we have a break for DirtyChris707 doing absolute last box 04. Here we go. Oh, she said 74. That must be a silver sticker somewhere. Oh, there we go. 74. There we go. Last box, number 74, absolute basketball. DirtyChris707, that's his brother. Alright. Fans coming in. Funky. Okay. Here we go, Stinky Chris. Kobe. Alright, we have, looking for Golden State dudes. Booby, Jose, DeAndre, Kobe, triple jersey, team trios, Tim Duncan, Manu Ginobili, Tony Parker. Triple jersey, team trios. That one's 16 of 25. We have a Mecca like a high. Rondo, Grant, Nate Archibald to 499, and Josh Selby, 299. Autograph. Rudy, Dwight, Wesley, Deshaun, Antoine Jameson to 99. Hoopla. 29 of 99, Antoine Jameson. David Lee, Hakeem Ward, Gordon Hayward, and Isaiah, $3.99. Isaiah Thomas. And there you go, Isaiah. Did you get 4 autographs? Nope, 3 autographs and 3 relics. There you have it, Stinky Chris. I appreciate it, buddy. I'll get it on the way. See ya.